Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Amazon OTP not receiving. Alright, so let's begin. If you are not receiving the one-time password from Amazon, there could be several reasons behind it. First, check if airplane mode is turned on. If it is, go ahead and turn it off as it blocks network signals which can prevent OTPs from coming through. Next, open the settings on your device whether you're using iOS or Android. Navigate to your messaging settings. Make sure messaging is enabled and working properly on your phone. On some devices, there's an option called Smart Messaging or OTP Auto Detection. Ensure that it is turned on so your device can recognize and receive OTP messages efficiently. If you've checked all that and still do not receive the OTP, try restarting your device. This can reset network connections and often fixes the issue. Also ensure that your SIM card is active and has good signal strength. You might also want to check for any SMS blocking settings or third-party apps that may be interfering with message delivery. Finally, if none of these steps work, you can contact your network provider or Amazon support to troubleshoot further. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Amazon OTP not receiving. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.